Sometimes you need to step out of the studio if you want to discover great ideas. To me, true inspiration is the driving force behind every creative journey. And I can't always find that in a laptop. My name is John Brown. I'm a music composer from Los Angeles, California, and I've always wanted to visit Norway and its nature to broaden my inspiration on music. This winter, I finally got the opportunity to travel to the north of Norway, and I was asked to bring some of my recording equipment and instruments to make some new music for this journey. What I found was so much more. The inspiration from the church was really powerful. If you can't come up with something here, you have a problem, in my opinion. A fairy tale kind of beauty followed me wherever I went. Each sight more wonderful and peculiar than the next. Like I was in a different world. And around every corner there were new adventures and challenges. Activities that I never in a million years would think I'd ever be a part of. Sights, sounds, smells, and tastes. All my senses were in play. And everyone that I met greeted me with such excitement. It was amazing how proud they were of their heritage and how eager they were to show me everything. I could really tell that they had grown up deeply in touch with nature. I feel so lucky to have been part of this. Getting away from the noise of the city, the routines and expectations of my ordinary life, really put things in perspective. The magical and majestic northern lights, the silence of the mountains, the excitement of being in touch with nature, and the warmth that I felt while meeting the local people. All of this is going to stay in my heart both creatively and personally for the rest of my life. I really don't think I'll ever be the same. This is my music for Norway.